Let's look at top-down analysis. This is the main aspect of trading, okay? If you cannot understand top-down analysis, then the chances for your success in trading will be very, very slim, okay? So let's look at this. This is Euro USD on the monthly. We're on the monthly. So we begin from the monthly. You need to mark areas that are very important, areas of support and resistance, very clean area. This is an area, right? This is another area, very important. Okay, the thing is, you don't have to be wasting too much time on the past too much. Just looking at just some few stuff. We're looking at more at the present, not here. Are you getting me? So we just want to know what is our range of the trading. Where are we trading from? Where are we trading to? So this is another area I want to mark. I think this is the most recent thing that is happening right now. This is the recent area. This is one recent area, right? Then this line is another recent area where we're expecting price to move to. Are you getting me? Your goal is you are marking out recent areas where you think price should move to. This is the monthly, okay? If you get it wrong from here, every other thing will be wrong. Okay, if you get it wrong from here, every other thing will be wrong. Here is an area. All these places that price has used before came back, pushed back up, and then broke. These are other recent areas. Are you getting me? Let's move to the weekly. This thing I must go back here before I do weekly. Let's move to the weekly and see. See the areas I've marked, right? So we are looking at current price action. This side, this is what price, this is where we are concerned about. So we have already marked this area. This line, this is coming from the monthly, right? This is also coming from the monthly. So they are very important areas we're expecting price to just pull back into and then drop. Or price can just break that area, push back, and then up to this area. These are areas of monthly support, right? And here is now resistance. This is a support which will become resistance because price cannot just do this now. It can, right? It can. But following the structures and the rules of technical analysis, price is supposed to pull back, especially on the higher time frame. This thing don't happen on a lower time frame. It happens more on the higher time frame. You have to see price touch another area of resistance or support before it can move back. So are you understanding? You might see that it's a small something, but it's big. From here to here is how many pips? This is 200 pips. So if we move, what if we move down to here? This is 500 pips. You can actually hold your trade to that level. Okay. So, do you get it now? Now there are other levels in which if price breaks, for example, look at this. If price breaks this one and then does this, my brother will attack here. And if it breaks this and does this. Then we will attack the next zone. What's the next zone? This area. Are you getting me? I'll still give another example. Maybe this example looks so simple. I'll look for another example that we can do. This stop the analysis part 1. So price can now move here. And if it breaks here, price can keep going back down to this level. Okay, that level we had, okay, on the so that level we had on the monthly. Okay, that was the monthly level, right? This one, this level here is the monthly. So price can actually do this to go to that level. So if price does that from here, how many pips is that? This 2000 pips plus. Okay, so even if you are taking it from here, safe. Even if you are taking it from here, how many is that? That's 1500 pips. Price can actually do this. All right, because we don't know what is wrong with the DXY right now. The DXY might be dropping now for other pairs to rise. Okay, so are you getting this? So, but this is not where to enter. This is not where to enter the trade. Okay, this is not where to enter the market. So we'll keep making our way down until we find a way to enter this trade. So let's go to daily. Let's go to the daily chart. So what do you see on the daily chart? So we see, it's so simple. We see this trend line. We see this trend line. We see this trend line to this new level, new monthly level. Remember, you can actually adjust this though if you want. Also, you can adjust your line to fit in the level perfectly, right? So, what are we expecting price to do here? This is also not where we enter on the daily. Some people used to enter on the daily, okay, but this is not where we used to enter. So, what did we get from the daily chart? On the daily chart, we just get this beautiful trend line, right? Which shows that price is bullish. Are we saying that price cannot do like this and break the trend line and then retest and then keep going down? That's not what we are saying. It can do this, but I doubt. Why am I this confident saying I doubt? The something is I'm very experienced. I know how this market works. You understand? You will not understand, but I know how this thing works. Okay? So let's go to 4 hours so you can understand what I'm saying. So on the daily, we already have this beautiful trend line leading us to this zone. Okay? So let's go to the 4 hour. Oops, shoot. Okay, look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is still having this trend line. So the something is, if you want to be a more conservative trader, if you want to be a more conservative trader, then you have to wait for this area. You see this area, this whole area to break. If you want to be a more conservative trader, but me, I'm already on this trade. I'm on this trade from here.